Hey guys, I just got the Morimoto XB headlights installed on my Lemans Blue C6. Wanted to just kind of show you guys what they look like and kind of their functions, since I was not able to see many pictures of those headlights on this color car online when I was trying to research them. So that's what it looks like with them off. It is currently evening, the sun is setting a little bit, as you can see for reference. From the factory, they come with the running lights off and the side markers off, which is a difference from some of the older ones that might have been a later revision where the side markers came on from factory. I saw that in one or two videos in the past. But so that's what it looks like with the daytime running lights on. Turn the headlights on. There you go with the headlights on. The running lights come on anytime the headlights are on. And then turn the fog lights on as well. I did change the fog lights out for LEDs since the stock fog lights had a bit of a off-white color, and just with pure white everything else, the off-white seemed a little odd. And the LEDs are much brighter in the first place. The one thing I did do though is, instead of wiring the daytime running lights through the fuse box like they intend for them to be on all the time, I wired them to the fog lights. So anytime I turn the fog lights on, I have to specifically tell it to turn the headlights off, since it is light enough. But anytime I turn the fog lights on, the running lights will come on too. I like the way that looks a little bit better. And not always been the most fond of daytime running lights during the day. No real particular reason, but. And then I opted not to unplug the little bridge wire to make the turn signal sequential. I personally like the solid turn signals better myself. So there you have it. That's what it looks like and how they function from the factory.